I battled with serious sinus from a very young age, and I always had just a runny nose and my sinuses were just irritated very often. As a child, I hated those nasal sprays. I was allergic to dust and mite and animal hair, and it was just a huge struggle. And that went on into my adulthood, and changing my diet made a huge difference. I did find that cutting out dairy, a lot of people know about the connection with dairy and sinus problems, but a lot of people don't know about the connection with gluten also. Going more for pseudo type of grains without gluten really helped so much to clear up all my sinuses. Today I'm completely healed from that, and my life is just so much better with not walking around with some type of toilet paper or something always ready to catch all that water coming from my nose. I will put the links below in the description box where you can find all my recipes on Instagram, Facebook, and on my playlist in my YouTube channel. What I did find what was quite a necessary step for me initially when I was eating extremely healthy, I still had a bit of a sinus attack now and then. Something that I did that took a day out of my life but made a huge difference to clear out my sinuses and not have a problem again was to do steam inhalation. I will put in a link to a complete video that I made about the oregano steam inhalation, taking you step by step through it. You need a pot, a big enough pot for 2 liters of water and extra room, the spoon, a big towel. I'm going to heat this water up till it boils. To do the steam inhalation, I only use 2 drops of the oregano essential oil on a teaspoon. Then I just stir it in. Then I use a big towel. I cover my head and my face. When you finish the steam inhalation, you time exactly an hour, then you do another steam inhalation. You repeat that process about 8 times. So it's going to take a full day to do it, but you can use that hour in between to do some work. That just broke that cycle completely. I think it completely drained my sinuses, cleared it up, and I've never had a problem again. I don't have to use any nasal spray. Before starting my own health journey, my first go-to was always to go for medicine as the solution. And this is not to say that you never should use any medicine, but I neglected my own health in the way that I was living and eating and not paying attention to overall health and all the needs of my body. And I always just wanted a quick solution for my symptoms. I didn't know that I had to look at the whole body health. But today I can say I'm so thankful for learning about these wonderful remedies, these plants that the Lord made for us and gave for us as part of our healing journey. So I hope you found this video very exciting and inspiring, and I hope it's going to help someone out there. And if you did enjoy this video, remember to hit the like button. Remember to subscribe if you want to stay tuned to the videos that I make. And remember, take care of your health. It's precious.